Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel The Dusky Mermaid. My name is Manshi Singh or Manshi Banerjee. No, I'm Manshi Singh, not Banerjee. So today's video, as you can see, I've recreated the Jacqueline's new song, not Jacqueline's, Badshah's new song Genda Phool look. It's a very easy look. I've just used base and one lipstick. After base, you can apply your base as you apply, then use just one lipstick for eyes, cheeks and lips. So watch this video and tell me how you liked it. So let's start. Starting with the base, I'm using a full coverage foundation because Jacqueline has this flawless skin, so just one drop, that's it, because it's too full coverage. The foundation is from Maybelline. It's super stay full coverage foundation. Concealer, Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Contouring is very important because I have such a balloon face. I can proudly call myself a Jupiter on earth because I have such a huge face. Literally, 4 Saturns can, accommodate in my face. 1, 2, 3, 4 easily. I have such a huge face. Setting it up with a loose powder. This translucent powder is very light. Making a powder wear to give my face that snatch look that I don't have naturally. Now I'll just dust off the excess powder. Mauvey eye color, very mauvey nude kind of blush and mauvey lipstick. So I'm using this Nykaa mini lipstick. It's just for ₹250. So yeah, it's cheap and it's in shade Boho. So I'm using it on my eyelids, as blush, and on lips, obviously. I'll just apply it directly on my eyelid like this. I'll blend it out, don't worry, I'll blend it out. Really digging the look, how it turned out using a lipstick and just a little, I just touched it and see, it's so pigmented and eye makeup is done. Lower lash line, using a pencil brush, I'll just use a little bit. Blush, I'm just going to take a little bit on my blush brush. Spreading it, not just एक जगह रहा तो ज़्यादा निशान टाइप का पड़ जाएगा. So that's it. I'll use stippling motion to large fluffy brush. I'm just going to merge my blush into my contour to give it a more natural look. Brown pencil from Wet n Wild, I'm going to use it as an eyeliner because I want very subtle eyeliner. See. It will be bold, so I'm going to really fill in my eyebrows and make them, little round. See, rounding off the arch. I'm going to highlight my inner corners using this light eyeshadow shade. Using the same Nykaa lipstick, I'm going to apply it on my lips. Using a brush because I want that perfect, V shape, so it will give me more control. So now mascara time. I'm going to apply mascara on my lower lash line. For my upper eyelids, I'm going to use fake lashes. But they are optional because I know how hard it is to apply them. So if you know how to apply them, then apply, or else mascara is enough. That's it. That's all for the video. Hope you liked the video. It's very easy look and it was so much fun to do. And I got ready within 10 minutes only. It is that easy. And hope you will also, recreate it and then tell me how do you liked it. And if you have any other video suggestion, if there is any other look that you want me to try, comment down below. I'll definitely do it. Connect with me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is the Dusky Mermaid. I'll put the link in the description box. Follow me and see more looks that I create, not just this, many other looks also. And please subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Press the notification bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I post the video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.